Oh, fuck. So, as you guys probably saw from the last video, we had a bunch of fun. Truck got really jammed up in a bad spot due to the bridge washing out, and the road is showing to be a truck route, but it's not. So I was just trying to get the camera balanced. So it was not a truck route. That meant we had to, well, we couldn't go forward because the road was gone. There's not a truck route anymore. The computer was saying, and everything was showing was a truck route. They changed it, but nothing has updated yet. And 2-lane road in Texas, nowhere to turn around. It's been raining a little bit the last few days, so we had to get out, take a look, and check for soft ground, try to see if we could try to back the trailer up into the dirt. That wasn't going to work because, you know, we had probably 35 some odd thousand pounds in the trailer, so we were, you know, 34, 33 some odd tons, give or take. All right. So when we tried to do that, we saw that the ground was sinking a lot, so we couldn't do that. There was a little boat ramp, but over there all the ground was completely soft, so that was not an option. It was quite dark out. The video that I showed you, that was after we were dealing with the issue for like 2 hours, okay? Calling dispatch, calling police department, just trying to get shit figured out, okay? So ended up paying some guys some money. They went behind my trailer, you know, like so, and they were behind the trailer up quite a bit, and they had their headlights on and they had a light bar, so they were able to light up the road, and we were able to back up some until the police department called and told us to stop. They didn't want us trying to do that because if somebody came around a corner, because there's like a couple of like real sharp turns and the road is 60 miles an hour, so they were concerned that somebody, as we're trying to back out of there without a police officer assistance, that somebody would run right into the back of the trailer. So we were told to stop and wait. So the guy got, you know, an easy $100. All right, to give you an idea of how much mud and how much fun, look at all that. That's after I cleaned up a good bit of the mud, and it's just caked down there, guys. This floor was clean. My shoes are all dirty. His shoes are all dirty. I mean, can it get much worse than that? Well, yeah, we could have been stuck. We could have been waiting for a tow truck. But from a training point of view, I'm trying to get my camera to balance again. There we go. When you get into a situation where things are just going wrong, okay, the best thing to do is stop. Just stop. Get out, take a look, figure out what's going on. Look at, or make, you know, plan A, B, C, D, and F and whatever. Keep going. I'm tired, okay, guys? So we got out, we looked around, we looked at this and that and that and this, and we came to a few different options, because backing out miles was not really top of the idea. Once the police officer got there, he had a few ideas of what he wanted to do. One of them I didn't exactly agree with at all. I didn't think it was going to be very good. But when a police officer is kind of telling you what to do, you know, yeah, your best bet is to kind of like follow his direction. So that's what I did. You know, I did what he was saying. I will say it worked. You know, it was real tight. You know, it was kind of risky. But, you know, the police officer, gave direction. And so if something happened that was not right, that would have been my ultimate excuse. You know, I was following the direction of a police officer. And not just a regular police officer, but a sheriff. So, yeah, it was a fun morning. I'm about to hit the rack. My student's upstairs getting cleaned up some. I already did that. Frick, guys. There are just some days where shit just goes wrong. This was one of them days. So, I am going to bed, and I will see y'all later.